Hello, I am David, an AI assistant. Welcome to DemoDazzle Analytics. Today, we're looking at how demo-level engagement data fills the missing piece in customer journey analytics, revealing complete buyer intent, bridging CRM gaps, and driving faster revenue growth. To truly understand your buyers, you need a complete picture. Modern journey analytics unifies website visits, email campaigns, CRM workflows, and interactive product demos into one real-time stream of actionable buyer behavior. Traditional analytics leave major blind spots. Insights sit fragmented across separate dashboards, hands-on demo interactions remain a complete black box, and superficial metrics like page views fail to capture true buying intent. Demo engagement changes the game. It tracks exactly which product features prospects test in self-guided tours, measures dwell times at critical value points, and streams those signals straight into your CRM. By pairing DemoDazzle with customer journey analytics, revenue teams gain rich behavioral data. You no longer have to guess what prospects want. Their actual hands-on feature interactions tell you exactly what they value. Comparing the two is night and day. Where traditional tools offer static, disconnected session data, modern analytics powered by interactive demo insights give you real-time sequential buyer tracking and deep personalization. This framework delivers value across business models, helping SaaS teams reduce trial churn, empowering enterprise reps to track multi-stakeholder buyer sharing, and driving product-led growth conversions. The bottom line results: richer CRM profiles, instant identification of high-intent buyers, shorter sales cycles for reps, and undeniable ROI attribution for your marketing efforts. Integrating demo data unlocks 100% journey visibility. By eliminating the evaluation blind spot, your team can deliver personalized experiences at scale and convert more pipeline. To address common questions, customer journey analytics goes beyond static journey mapping by providing automated, live data. And yes, DemoDazzle integrates seamlessly into platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo. Ready to eliminate buyer blind spots and shorten your sales cycle? Visit demodazzle.com today to book a consultation and transform